Hello! In today's lesson I will show you the easiest way of installation Oracle WebLogic Server 11G exactly 10.3.6 on Windows in graphical mode. First of all, we should check prerequisites. You can find them in Oracle pages or on site weblogic.eu with my experience from practice. I am sure I have all of them and we can start step by step. First, download installer. We have three ways where to download it. In oracle.com, edeliveryoracle.com, which is Oracle Software Delivery Cloud, or supportoracle.com, where we can create a request for older versions which are not downloadable in oracle.com or some other pages. As has been mentioned, it is graphical installation on Windows, so we will choose Windows binary file with exe extension. I just did it and extracted file so we don't have to waste time by these two steps to make video shorter. It is Windows installation, so process is really fast. Do you know method next next next? I thought so. Now we see welcome window. So hello Oracle and go next. Second window is for creation of middleware home. We can leave it as is or choose your preferred path by browse button. If we already installed WebLogic installer, does recognize it and we will see this radio button visible and are able to choose previous path. So we can leave it as is and go next. Register for security updates. It is about receiving mails from Oracle, usually 2 or 3 times during half year, about new security update patches. I'm already registered, so I'm bypassing it. Confirm and next. Choose install type. Depends on package we downloaded, we will see default components in typical installation. Now it is WebLogic and Coherence, which is caching layer. But you can see more. I usually prefer custom installation, so we can choose which components will be installed and you can read short description of each component by click on it. Next. So now we can see all components, and by clicking on each components you can see description of it and highlight the item size which are taken on disk space. So all of these components are usually used as JDBC drivers, HTTP pub, sub-server, configuration wizard and update framework. And I recommend for you, when you don't know what is domain or managed server, use server examples. So you will have already prepared example domain with one managed server with some deployments and some JDBC drivers and a local database. So click next, choosing JDK, where on top of that will be running WebLogic. In this package we can choose already bundled Sun or Oracle SDK, or in bottom panel we would see if installed our own SDK or browse for it when installed didn't find it. So we can choose only one Sun SDK in example and click next. Product installation directory. Here we set paths for specific components. For troubleshooting and debug it is better to have components in separated folders. Leave it at this and next. Install Windows Service. Now we are choosing if Node Manager should be installed as a service and on which port Node Manager will listen. Now there is port 5556, which is usually default port for Node Manager. More about Node Manager, what it is and why we use it, you can find in weblogic.eu or in Oracle documentation. So we can choose yes and next. The last but one is shortcut location, so we can jump to the last step. And now we can see summary page where are listed all chosen components and total size it will take during installation. So next, and voila, installation started. Once it will be done, you have installed the WebLogic server, and in next tutorials we will learn more in about administration console. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Visit WebLogic.eu for more information, and I am looking forward to guide you in next lesson. Bye.